Hi everyone, I'm Eszter Kovács, co-founder of Drone Talks, and I would like to share 3 trends which I do forecast for 2024 within the drone industry. Even my co-founder warned me not to do this. I'm enough brave and sharing my thoughts. So the first one is of course cities. I see that cities has a lot to say about drones. It's not enough if a CAA approves the drone operations, but cities also have certain requirements, certain views on those drone operations. So multiple layer engagement is indeed necessary for a successful drone operation on scale for 2024. The second one, which I would like to share with you, is that I forecast price drop for drone deliveries. Multiple layers are coming into the market, manufacturing getting cheaper and cheaper, we have operational experience, so in my opinion, the price will drop for drone deliveries. So the third one, we foresee manufacturing of dual use, and we see more and more drone manufacturers have this mindset because of the war. They try to create the solution, the hardware, to be able to utilize at military space but also in civil space. So 2024 is the year for that. These are the 3 forecasts from me for 2024. Let me know your thoughts in comment below and let me know if you see something different, or disagree or agree with my forecasts.